Hi there, my name is Elyas. I'm a project manager. I'm based in Melbourne and I live here with my two dogs. You know, when it comes to solar installations, it can be a bit overwhelming, but my experience with Elyas Solar has been amazing. What I love about Elyas Solar is that they're not just a company, they're real people. They're relatable, they understand every person like me, and help me navigate through complicated solar solutions. That personal touch is what really matters. Affordability was another big thing for me. I was surprised at how budget-friendly their solar solutions were. I got a top quality service without breaking the bank. And what's more, they're not just in for profit. Elyas Solar sponsors the North Melbourne Footy Club and actively engages in the community with uplift activities that support our community. That kind of commitment to our community speaks volumes about their values. I actually first heard about Elyas Solar from someone at work. They raved about the fantastic job they did on the installation, and I decided to give them a call. They were great and easy to deal with. As for my solar system, I could not be happier. My energy bills have gone down and I'm doing my part to help the environment. It's a win-win. So if you're thinking about solar, I'd recommend Elyas Solar. They're real people, they're affordable, and they give back to the community. You can't go wrong.